Welcome back everyone to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill and today we are going to be covering the Aloe Sunset Silhouette, which is one of Aloe's most popular sneakers right now. These literally are flying off the shelves. We're going to be covering it in the black colorway. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back everyone to another unboxing and review. If you're joining us for the first time, welcome on in. Be sure to hit that subscribe down below. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy these unboxing and styling segments. Today we are going to be talking about the Aloe Sunset sneaker, which is definitely a cult favorite, at least from what I've seen this year. This was so difficult to get. It sells out so quickly in different colorways. Honestly, I was bummed because I went in to get an exclusive colorway in a brown shade and it was sold out. They said they had my size, but that was a lie. So here we have the classic black shade, which I'm okay with because this is going to still go with everything. So we'll go through the overview of these, jump into size and fit, followed by how I styled this popular colorway with all Aloe pieces. So if you are an Aloe person, you are going to love the styling section because it's all Aloe. And then we'll conclude with how much these are going for currently on the retail market. So let's jump right into it. For those of you who've been following the brand Aloe, I went into the store during Black Friday and it was a crazy circus inside. Let me tell you, if you're wondering where all the hype beasts are, they're not shopping at Nike, they're not shopping at JD Champs or Snipes. They are inside of Aloe with their women. It was not what I was expecting, but Aloe is one of those brands that's been up and coming. I mean, they literally have, I think, solidified their place in the performance athleisure market, especially with their just luxury upscale price points and look and feel of their clothes, as well as their sneakers, which seem to be just kind of continuing to gain popularity. Their most popular, I feel like right now, has to be the Aloe Sunset. One of the key collaborators, you may have heard or known of her, which is Jisoo from Blackpink, had her own exclusive release with Aloe on this specific silhouette. It was in a bloom pink colorway. Tried to get a pair, it sold out extremely fast, so I was really sad, but that's okay. I've got it in the black colorway. So as far as the look and feel of this definitely is giving me Loewe, Miu Miu kind of vibes. It's more of a luxurious, kind of high-end designer looking sneaker, which makes sense because it kind of matches Aloe aesthetically. As far as texture goes, this is kind of a rougher suede texture, but it really looks premium when you have these in hand. It's got some off-white laces. We've got Aloe's logo on the front here in black on top of a smooth white leather pull tab. And then underneath, you're also getting a nice premium suede texture for a thin tongue. As far as the shape of this goes, kind of has like a samba aesthetic to it. It is very narrow, so when you are kind of looking at size ranges, do take that into consideration. And as far as the side panels and everything goes, it's pretty muted with this color scheme. It's all black on both sides. You are getting some perforation on the side panels here, so a little bit of breathability there so your feet aren't congested inside without some airflow, which is kind of nice. And then we've got Aloe hitting the back in black on top of that nice smooth white leather. And then the interior also very premium. So we've got an insole that's fully covered in white leather, and then the color here is also in white leather. What really brings the sneaker together though is this gum bottom and this simple just white toned midsole. So we've got the gum bottom, which kind of completes it, gives it more of a nice age vintage vibe, but overall it's a great looking sneaker. I think Alo has done a good job really just tapping into the sneaker world, which makes sense because they make, you know, performance-based products clothing wise, and they're so trendy there that it's really cool to see them expand and keep releasing new colorways, new silhouettes as far as sneakers go. So let's take a look at those last and final details, then we'll jump into size and fit on these. All right, so as far as size and fit goes, I do have high arch, narrow feet. So if you have wider feet, I honestly would highly recommend going at least half a size up, because my feet definitely are at the edge of this sneaker. But definitely if I had wider feet, I feel like I would not fit. So highly recommend half a size up in these. All right, so as far as styling goes, I decided to pick up a couple pieces from Alo. Alo had their 30% off sale, which is huge. You rarely see Alo honestly go on sale with anything, and I really wanted to kind of like match this perfectly. So I wore some of the Dreamscape brown trouser pants, which is a wide width pant, super flowy, super comfortable, super lightweight. And I wore it with this brown and black sports bra. It's called the Airlift bra, which super cute. I love that it had a black and brown combo. Really loving actually styling just black and brown together. I think it goes really well. And then I wore the Airbrush corset zip up jacket, which I have on now as a nice little layer.
Down, he helps me up and says I'll be just fine. Whenever I'm alone and I cry, you'll almost always be by my side. As long as we're together, he tells me I don't need nobody else. It's you and me, and butterfly makes three.
And then for the second look, I kept it the same with some of those pieces. So I wore that same sports bra that I had on, which is that Airlift sports bra in brown and black. And then I wore it with the Airlift leggings in all black. Wanted to kind of match it with the brown and black, but they ran out of that. But I feel like the black leggings will go with more, so I can kind of style it with different tops.
Buys me clothes to make up for the parties that he never really let me go. It's fine because he promised me it's safer just to stay away from all that noise from other boys. He cares about me and about my butterflies, it clearly shows. Every time I feel it all down, he helps me up, except for when he's high.
And for the last and final look, I wore the same kind of corset zip-up jacket with the nice Airlift leggings for a nice all black look.
Never good to me with his friends, but that's okay, cause he can get really shy. We don't like to go much in public, he's just not that kind of guy. So it's just you and me, and butterfly makes three. like it, you don't need to follow. I don't care about your fantasy of who I need to be or what is good for me. Good for me. I've had enough of what they think of me. It's not who I used to be. All about what I choose to see now. Oh, please don't you please. This is reality. This is it. What will
So
be.
as far as retail goes, these retailed at $225. Again, I was lucky enough to snag a pair during that 30% off sale. So I got a little bit of a discount, which is always nice because aloe is pretty expensive. Other than that, everyone, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, if you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below if you have not already. That's it for this unboxing and styling segment. My name is Marissa Hill. This is ShadeTV. We will catch you all on the next episode.
I have a part in me that I'll never grow.